Okay, let me give you a little bit of context. It's a closer that I'm ramping up. This is like his third month going on the fourth one, and obviously we're trying to like raise them until he hits KPI. Well, he's already hitting KPIs, but I want him to like push him a little bit more and make him hit more numbers. So he's kind of like on that upward spiral. He projected, let's say 10, he hit them. He projected 13, he hit them. Now I wanted to do 15, maybe 16 from that, and he's trying to keep it safe. That's the context on him. We are giving him more calls and he has more volume, so he should be able to hit it, and he's trending positively. But yeah, that would be like more of the context that I can give you on that piece. Would it be the same or?
So in that situation, what I would do is set the KPI for him.
Okay.
Yeah. So if he says, "Oh, I'm going to hit 13," just say, "No, no, no. You've been here for 3 months now. You've shown an uphill trend. You're getting more calls booked this month. You should hit 16. I'm going to set it for you." I have this situation all the time. I mean,
Yeah.
I've got guys that have been with me for like 8 months, 9 months, and they're still scared, right? And so, and here's the thing is when you tell them, "No, no, you should be at this number," they'll snap out of it pretty quick and say, "Yeah, you're right." And just tell them stop being a